Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best blender under $100 that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have NutriBullet N121001 blender. The NutriBullet N121001 10% single-serve blender in gray offers a powerful blending experience with its 1200-watt motor. It features a pre-programmed pulse cycle with automatic shut-off, making blending tasks easy. The high-torque power base ensures effective pulverizing. The blender comes with a 1200W motor base, an extractor blade, a 32 ounces cup, a 24 ounces cup, 2 to-go lids, 2 lip rings, and a recipe book, providing all you need for convenient on-the-go blending. The hands-free auto-off function enhances extraction. Get ready to enjoy efficient and hassle-free blending with this NutriBullet blender. Moving on at number 4, we have Oster blender. The Oster Pro 1200 blender with glass jar and brushed nickel offers a powerful blending experience with its 1200 power watts and 900 watts of ice crushing power. It includes a 24-ounce smoothie cup for added convenience. The 6-cup Boraclass glass jar is dishwasher safe and can withstand thermal shock, ensuring durability. With dimensions of 14.25 inches by 7.25 inches by 8 inches and a 16-inch cord length, it's a compact and versatile kitchen appliance. The dual-direction blade technology enhances blending power, making it easy to achieve smooth results. Enjoy efficient blending with the Oster Pro 1200 blender for a variety of tasks. At number 3, we have Cuisinart CPB 380 juicing blender. The Cuisinart CPB 380 Hurricane Compact Juicing Blender in gunmetal offers powerful performance with its 1+ peak HP motor. The blender features convenient rotary dial controls for pulse, low, and high settings, providing versatility for various blending needs. With a cord length of 36 inches, the blender offers flexibility in placement. The 32 ounces BPA-free Triton jar is durable and shatter-resistant, and both the jar and cups are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The removable blade assembly simplifies maintenance. All accessories securely lock onto the base for safety. The package includes the blender base and a 32 ounces BPA-free Triton jar. At number 2, we have Magic Bullet blender. The Magic Bullet blender, a compact 11-piece set in silver, is a versatile kitchen companion. With its chopping, mixing, blending, whipping, and grinding capabilities, it effortlessly handles a range of tasks. Craft your preferred meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces, and dips with ease. The blender boasts a 250-watt high-torque power base for efficient operation. The cups are constructed from high-impact plastic for durability. As a bonus, an included recipe book jump-starts your culinary journey, guiding you to prepare quick, delightful, and flavorful dishes. The Magic Bullet blender is your gateway to convenient and creative cooking. And finally at number 1, Black & Decker countertop blender. The Black & Decker countertop blender, model BL2010BG in sleek black, offers a perfect blend of functionality and style. Equipped with a 5-cup glass jar, it's suitable for various blending needs. With 10 speed settings, this blender provides precise control over blending consistency. Its compact dimensions of 8.5 by 9.9 by 13.5 inches make it a convenient addition to your kitchen counter. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, soups, or sauces, this blender delivers reliable performance. The glass jar ensures durability and is easy to clean. The Black & Decker BL2010BG is a versatile and space-efficient appliance for anyone seeking consistent blending results. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.